In this course, you'll learn how to prepare for an epic launch for your mobile app with Tapcart. Throughout this course, we'll teach you how to best prepare your mobile app to be a powerful sales and marketing channel for your brand before you officially launch. And if you've already launched, no worries. You can still apply everything we cover into a relaunch or add to your continuous growth campaign. We'll be walking through the tried and true processes that top-performing brands have used to launch their own apps in the App and Google Play Store. Now, whether you're an entrepreneur just getting started or a household name, we're here to walk you through everything you need to know. We'll cover everything from tips and best practices around your app design, pre-launch campaigns, and building hype, to name a few, all the way to real-life use cases on creating loyal customers, advertising on your website, and utilizing all of your sales channels to create an epic launch. If there's a topic you already know, you can always move around at your own pace and choose the lessons you're interested in. It's important to note we'll be continually releasing new lessons to help you fully optimize and grow your mobile app. To get email updates when new lessons are added, you can subscribe or simply check back in here on the Tapcart Academy homepage. Now, let's get started.